modern style appearance, with whale mouth front face design. JMC Vigus is made of high-strength body steel plate and strong torsion resistance. It is also equipped with the new generation Bosch ABS Plus EBD. The new Vigus is powered by advanced technology powerful engine with Bosch 3rd generation common rail system. It has a spacious, comfortable and elegant cabin. Diversified configuration with a stylish dashboard design. It has a chrome-plated instrument panel, 8-inch display screen and entertainment system controls. Vigus FD body configuration has a spacious interior with a very strong load capacity.